Hello everyone and welcome to this session where we dive into FastAPI, the modern, fast and asynchronous Python web framework. My name is Krishna and I am excited to introduce you to amazing tool that's changing how we build APIs. First, let's talk about what is FastAPI is. FastAPI is a modern Python framework specifically designed for building API. It's built on top of Starlet and Pydantic, which means it's a super fast and highly reliable and support data validation out of the box. It's one of the best framework for developer who want to performance, ease of use and modern features like async programming. You can think of it as tool that combines speed with simplicity. So, why should you choose FastAPI over other frameworks? Well, for starters, it makes developers' lives easier by automatically generating API documentation, which is huge time saver. It's also optimized for speed, meaning your APIs will be lightning fast, plus it's follow open standard like OpenAPI and JSON schema, making it easier to integrate with other tools. And since it supports asynchronous programming, you can handle multiple requests simultaneously, making it perfect for a real-time application. Now, let's highlight some FastAPI's key features. One of the coolest thing is the automatic generating of interactive API documentation using Swagger UI or Redo. It's also has a powerful dependency injection system, making your code modular and reusable. Validation and serialization are built in, which means you can avoid a lot of boilerplate code, and of course, it is asynchronous and highly extensible, making it suitable for both simple and complex application. Let's look at some code to see how a FastAPI works. Here is a simple example. We import a FastAPI, create an instance of app and define two endpoints. The first is root endpoint that returns a welcome message, and second is dynamic endpoints that takes a item ID as a path parameter and optional query parameter. FastAPI handles all the heavy lifting like routing and validation, so you can focus on building your app. Now let's understand how FastAPI works under hood. It's use an ASGI server like Uvicorn and Daphne to handle a request. When a request comes in, the server route it to the correct endpoint in your FastAPI app. FastAPI then validates the input, runs the required logic and sends the response back to the server, which forward it to the client. Middleware can also be used to add extra functionality like login or authentication. Why is FastAPI so popular? For one, it boosts developer productivity with features like automatic documentation. It is highly performance, meaning you can use it for a production ready APIs without worrying about speed. It also has a growing community, so you will find plenty of resource and support. And finally, it provides a strong typing and editor support, which reduce bugs and make your code more maintainable. So where can you use FastAPI? It's a great for building REST APIs, deploying machine learning models and creating a microservices. You can even use it for IoT system that needs to handle a lot of data in real time. FastAPI's versatility makes it a solid choice for a wide range of projects. In the next video, we talk about how can we set up the FastAPI in Mac system. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section.